My name is Ricky Connor. I live in Lufkin, Texas, and in August of 23, I had a double disc replacement in my neck performed by Dr. Francis. As anyone would think, that's a major surgery, which it is, but I was kind of worried about it, but him and his staff really put me at ease about the surgery. The surgery went well, and the follow-up went well, and everything about his staff and him was just as good as I could, even more than I could have expected. And I'm back here today in January of 25, about a year and about a half after I had my surgery, for a checkup. Everything's good. I actually feel a whole lot better than I did before then. But I would recommend him and his staff to anybody. If you're having back problems, neck problems, anything like that, go see Dr. Francis.